Yeah, what's up, fellow YouTubers? Coming at you once again today with another review, another pickup from DHGate. This time it's not a jersey, but my first sneaker cop from DHGate. Actually, it's not the first sneaker that I purchased, but it's um the first one I'm going to show you. I kind of ordered two around the same time. They both came on the same day. Um, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you this one first. I guess a lot of you can tell what it is already by the box. As you can see, the top of the box split wide open. And I do believe that happened in shipping because the seller actually sent me pictures of the shoe and the box and the shipping label before he sent the shoe. And I was looking at the box in the picture and I was like, wow, box looks pretty nice. But then when I get it, split wide open on the top, and I could tell it was done in shipping because the package that it came in was just the regular black bag type package that was split also. So I'm thinking something probably fell on the box or just got thrown around, but no big deal. So I'm going to show you the label. If you can see, it's some Air Jordan 1 retros. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to make this quick and show you which shoe it is. And as you can see, it is the Air Jordan 1 Top 3. Try to see if I can let you get a good look at it. And when I first saw these shoes, today's Friday and I got them Monday, I was shocked. For a replica shoe, I was basically blown away. I had to look for flaws. I mean, I'm no expert, but as far as the way this shoe is made, it is nice, I would say. It just came with the one pair of strings, which was the black strings, of course. Very clean shoe, very well made. You can see the Air Jordan Wings logo, if it'll focus. Very nice, I must say. The tag, of course, the Nike Air tag on the tongue. Inside tag. I mean, I'm not going to read it, but you can basically almost see the words. You know, might be a little tad bit blurry or off, but, you know, nothing bad. Came with the cardboard shoe trees inside of the shoe. This one has the blue Nike Air sign. They are a size 10. Oh, and they fit real comfortable. As you can see, size 10. For years I had been wearing a size 9 or 9.5. But after years of wearing that 9 and a 9.5 and a lot of original Jordans, I noticed that the pinky toe on my right foot was killing me. And when I realized that Jordans are a narrow cut shoe, and basically I had been doing years of damage to my foot, squeezing my wide foot in that narrow shoe. So that's what took me up to a 10. So these fit real nice for a 10. The other shoe, Nike Wings, I mean, painted on real nice. No bad stitching. You know, I don't know if you can see it right there, but where one thread ends is kind of just sticking up a little bit, but I probably could just chop that off or burn it off. No biggie. Toe box, nice and solid. The leather or the material, I mean, it's nice and sturdy. Tongue might not be as padded as it should be, but you know, it's no problem. I think it does hang right. This one has the blue Nike tag. Forgive me focusing. I'm trying to get through this as quick as I can. Maybe a little bit of glue you can see right there, but nothing major. Look like you could just take a knife or something, scrape that off, or just mark over it. Maybe if you want to consider a flaw, that might be one. And I'm going to show you the main one I thought about, or that I saw even in the picture before the shoe was actually shipped. Inside of this one, if you can see, blue writing on the tag with the red Nike Air symbol on the inside. I mean, nice shoe. No complaints at all. Nice and sturdy. Now the main flaw that I thought would be bad, and I saw this in the picture when I zoomed in on it. If you can see, let me try to find it. You have to forgive me for my lighting in my room. I don't like a real bright room, but let me see if I can find it. But, okay, you can kind of see it a little bit right there where the red paint kind of smeared a tad bit, especially right there on the white part of the sole. I could see that in the picture. I thought it would be worse than what it was when I got the shoe, but it's not bad at all. I mean, if it was a problem, I could take some white paint or something, paint over it. But to be honest, as small as it is, I'm probably just going to let it go, wear them like it is. I've seen that, to be honest, in some original shoes I think I've owned where, you know, just a little smidgen of paint might get on the white part or something like that. And especially when you wear them, you could get that little scuff that scuffs the paint upward. But no problem. So there you have it. I got these from one of the more well-known sellers on DHGate. Comes highly recommended. And I would say this shoe, I would rate this for a replica. This has to be a 9 out of 10. I mean, I can't see giving it any other lower. I mean, you know, it might have its, compared to the originals, it might have a few things that may not be exactly right. Like right there, I mean, couple of little small hanging threads that you could pull out with a tweezer. But as far as the look, feel, shape, and the way the shoe's made, it's definitely, in my book, a 9 out of 10. If you want to know the seller, just comment. I can tell you the seller, but most of you, if you shop on DHGate for sneakers, you already know who the seller is. Think the shoe is like 60, in that 60s to $65 range. So it's a nice pickup. And I'm going to end this video by letting you know the other shoe. I am going to do a review on that as soon as I can. And I really want you guys' opinion on the next shoe that I'm going to review. Feel free to give me your opinion on what you think of this shoe. Was it good cop or not? And hopefully I'll get the next video made and posted in the next couple of days, or maybe today or tonight when I get a chance. Feel free to comment. Feel free to let me know what you think. And I will see you on the next review.